Hi, my name is Randy. I just want to give Becca thumbs up on the flash dry system. Since they came in and installed that flash dry system 3 months ago, instantly I knew that my productivity was gonna ramp up and go up a little bit. What it does is it will create an airflow in there as such to not stir up any dirt. It will dry more surfaces more evenly than a traditional wall mount blower or a handheld blower. And now I don't have to chase that wall mount blower around and look for spots to dry. It will dry it more evenly. It's very, very versatile. You can aim that down right where you want. It puts a nice airflow around the license plate pockets, the bumpers, on the roof, wherever you need it. It's a very highly recommended product.
Innovation for waste minimization.